What is going on, guys? This is a quick impromptu video on the WLToys 124019. I actually got mine in right here. Just kidding. This is the 144001 from WLToys, the 14 scale one. The 12 scale is on its way from a new website called MakerFire. I will link them down below. They also hooked me up with a promo code for, I believe, 7% off anything on their website. Promo code is 413RC, so go ahead and check them out. I ordered a few of the 124019 and the 124018 from MakerFire, and they should be here either later this week or early next week. I ordered them last week, and I already got tracking information. It says they're both on their way, so I'm super excited about that. MakerFire actually sent me some running footage and some unboxing footage of the new 124019 from WLToys. I'm going to play it now. I'll do an overlay of my voice, kind of running through what I like and dislike about the car, and you guys can leave a comment down below on what you think. Alright, so right away we're getting into the unboxing. I'm going to skip through this a little bit, but just so you know, comes in your typical WLToys box. Remote is separated on the side. We'll get to that in just a second. You have your instruction manual included. Looks like a brand new manual for this car. Then you get into your USB charger for the 2S battery, as well as your hex driver for the wheels. And then finally we get our first look at the car. The wheels have a white wheel on them instead of the black on the 144001. Obviously it looks a little bit bigger. I think it looks really cool with the purple and gold shock towers. Bottom is all aluminum like the 144001, and the wing on the back, again, it looks kind of like that flimsy plastic, so those will probably be breaking within your first crash. Then we get our first look at the remote. Looks like the same exact remote as the 144001. I actually like this remote. It feels good in the hand. Steering is very responsive on it. Get your trims on the side there, and it looks like you do need to provide 4 AA batteries. After removing the body, we get a first little glimpse of inside the car. As you can see, the 2S battery looks a lot bigger than the 144001. It is also still a Dean style connector plug and looks to be the same ESC and steering servo. You can see that same giant 550 can brushed motor in there. I'm not sure if they changed any of the gearing. We'll have to take a look at that. Just some measurements. As you can see, it's a little bit longer than the 1440. Alright, so enough of the unboxing. Let's take a look at some of this running footage. Looks like it's pretty quick. It is kind of hard to tell whether this is full speed or not. But as you can see right there, it looks like he was driving it the entire time in reverse. Then he gets it down on this bigger area, goes through the grass fairly well, it looks like. Again, pretty quick. So I am excited to get mine in. Then here we have another clip on the top surface there. Looks like the tires are still the same, so on those tiles it looks like it's kind of slipping around. I think these will be good on asphalt and maybe some short grass. This Buggy style is pretty low to the ground. I wouldn't try and drive it through anything too thick, but we'll see. Range here is very good. You can see it's almost undetectable on the camera, and then it looks like this is a full speed pass. So pretty quick, stopping, very good. And then he backs it all the way up to the camera in reverse. Then he takes it off all the way to the end here. Again, range looks like it's good. Again, not sure if this is full speed. That looks kind of slower than the 144001. And reverse all the way back to the other side of the park. And here's just one more clip for you guys, just some closer angles of the car. Looks like the shocks are exactly the same, they're just in a purple anodized color. Again, shock towers are gold. And the graphics on this are kind of like a broken concrete, electricity, lightning sort of decal. Number 13 on all of them on the top. And then your hinge pin brace on the front and rear is gold. One thing to note, seeing him spin the tires there might not be too much grease in the front and rear diff, so that's something to check right out of the box. It's something that I did on the 1440-01 as well. So once again, if you guys made it this long in the video, thank you for watching. Check out Maker Fire down below in the description. They do have these cars in stock. Shipping was super quick, and I will make a video on this as soon as I get mine in. So again, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.